and Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Morgan County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Putnam County in central Georgia, northeastern Jasper County in central Georgia, east-central Newton County in north-central Georgia, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Newborn, or 11 miles southeast of Covington, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Madison, Newborn, Mansfield, Shady Dale, Central Georgia Experiment St. Farrar, and Godfrey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Due to the threat of severe weather, NOAA weather radio station KEC 80 has interrupted its normal weather programming. We will resume normal broadcasting